but I'm going to do a little bit of sketching whilst I'm here. It's a gorgeous day at the beach. I've just got another iced latte because I'm obsessed. Sitting with Kiki. It's actually New Year's Eve today, but basically my hairdresser is down at the beach, which is why I came down here. So I got my hair curled ready for tonight because it's New Year's Eve, and we're going to like a rooftop bar to watch the fireworks, so it's gonna be really nice. But yeah, I brought my iPad with me. I'm hoping it doesn't get too sandy. I feel like there's sand going everywhere already. But I'm going to do a little bit of sketching whilst I'm here because the beach and the summer really inspire me to draw, so this is like the best time to be doing some sketching. It's really warm as well actually, it's not too hot, it's like perfect. I think it's like 24 degrees actually. But yeah. So yeah, I've actually been living in Australia now for 8 years this December, which is crazy. I can't believe 8 years I've been here. But yeah, I'm a citizen now, if you didn't know. I've actually got a video on my channel which I'll link if you want to watch it. But yeah, I got that this year, April. Jesus, the sand is going everywhere. Okay. So I'm back home, but I think I might give them some colour and make it into a repeat pattern because I feel like it would look quite cool together. I really like how they came out. So yeah, I'm going to do that now.